This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream ice cream at home. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, and a few egg yolks. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is completely frozen, ideally for at least 24 hours, and all your tools are clean. Proper preparation is key to achieving that wonderfully smooth, rich texture we all love in homemade ice cream. Next, we will create the rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk together your egg yolks and sugar until they are pale yellow and creamy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. In a separate saucepan, gently heat your whole milk and heavy cream until it just begins to simmer around the edges. Slowly temper a small amount of the hot cream mixture into the egg yolks, then add the tempered yolks back to the saucepan. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, typically reaching 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your custard is cooked, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures a perfectly silky smooth texture, removing any tiny bits of cooked egg. Now, cover the bowl and chill the custard base in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. A thoroughly chilled base is essential for proper churning. Finally, pour the cold base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes until it resembles soft-serve ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, like a thick milkshake. Transfer it to an airtight container, pressing plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. For the best serving experience, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Now, you can enjoy your incredibly rich and creamy homemade ice cream, perhaps with some fresh berries or a drizzle of chocolate sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.